Now I'm showing how to fund him Redot Pay account wallet blue want them Binance funds inside of Binance and make me got 2,600 plus money I'm stop now long Binance wallet blue. So by me show him how by withdraw him long Binance na salim pula Redot Pay application blue. Okay, and Redot Pay wallet blue me got 47.28 28 stop. Okay, by you may withdraw now. So go lo deposit kisim wallet address lo Redot Pay application kisim wallet address lo Redot Pay. Misalnya money lo Binance so mas using right plan network BSC network Binance Smart Chain network mi choosing disla lo Redot Pay wallet lo mi pinis okay now mi go ken lo mi go lo Binance now we go clicking send funds. I'm selling money out lo Binance or send funds. So we go inside lo withdraw crypto now. Lo Binance me paste him la wallet address lo TRX mix him lo Binance Redot Pay app come paste him now lo Binance application lo withdrawal lo Binance now money start lo Binance. Okay, by me withdrawing 2,500 plus lo Binance so me enter him amount. We withdraw now. Okay, by mixing email back email by me register one time Binance. Check him one time password come the email. Me copy him the password. Copy password the email. We can paste him password lo email verification lo Binance. And now and process now. Withdraw and process now lo. Salimoni go lo Redot Pay application now. Checking history and process. It's not a process. So and processing step ila look details lo transaction blue and may come here by checking all details for transactions all one address using one order by looking the details below. So me go back now checking balance. I'm close to time or notification am come now. Then me repress by looking some money I'm out now. Now money out and I'm go finish now 150 short step now. Okay, I'm go finish low Redot Pay now message. So you can begin low Redot Pay application. Maybe checking balance now. By me look most money come up in la Redot Pay application below me where money start now. We can use him now. And we can use him virtual card below me low pay him goods and service in a store or because we got physical card or some now yeah we got finish and by using sol go ATM sol we shopping ATM and we withdraw money now. So easy na easy lo making money let's like you saw a roadblock in crypto online you saw will be investing and you can some crypto and easy you can browsing you can withdraw some money inside the PNG through the ATM you meet here BSP ATM or Kinabank ATM. So me like encourage him more the Papua New Guineans so that you saw making money through the crypto you can make money now withdraw to the PNG Kina.